MADNI, Maneuverable Autonomous Drone for Navigation and Intelligence, also known as MADNI, is a cutting-edge drone developed by my research team at School of Engineering, Ulster University. This is not just an ordinary drone, it is a seamless integration of intelligence and innovation. Crafted with precision, MADNI is an IoT-connected marvel enabling 5G standalone HAT for AI-enabled object detection and facial recognition. Starting from crowd monitoring to search and rescue operations and environmental sensing, MADNI enables endless possibilities. We are targeting different applications. If we talk about Northern Ireland specifically, we look at high stormy winds and a lot of gusts of winds. For example, in December in 23, we had storm Pia, which was around 90 miles per hour. In these type of wind gusts, the drones cannot fly. So we are working on this, on making our drones stable so that they can fly without any difficulties in such areas. Similarly, facial recognition and object detection are the two main contents that we have developed in our drone. The motivation is that if you have computation offload optimization based drones, the bigger one, the main drone can communicate with the smaller drone that can help us in understanding where the people are trapped, and with that the ground person can help to monitor and do a targeted operation to take those people out. So that is what we are targeting. Similarly, if you look at the Northern Ireland environmental platforms, we have windmills in Mourne Mountains, and for their maintenance, we need drones where our object detection and our systems that we have developed on our drone, on our MADNI can really be helpful. Also, if you look at the Lagan River, the sedimentation monitoring, that is one of the things that we generally look at, the flooding. So with the help of the sensors that we have on board on our MADNI, you can really target that. Another important feature of MADNI is that we have a real-time live feed that is working in a real time without any requirement of any other non-standalone. So it's a standalone drone that already has a 5G hardware on top. So with that, we can have always access in real time with the live feed on our systems, on our PCs, and on our laptops or on our mobile phones to see what is happening. Autonomous vehicles, Industry IoT 4.0 and beyond, it is the future of everything. And with the IoT in place, with AI advancement that we have, the world is transforming and we are ready to get transformed with it.